Hamid sharing all of those details. On that note, viewers, we're shifting focus towards Mumbai. A tree fell on a school bus in Chembur in Mumbai, leaving one child dead and 10 seriously injured, as per reports. Now, a large and aging tree fell on the bus as it was moving through road number 11 in Chembur, with its branches crushing the front and middle portions of the bus. The incident occurred around 2:50 p.m. This tree fell on the school bus belonging to Universal School on road number 11, resulting in this tragedy. My colleague Shweta Verma is joining us live to share further details. Shweta, tragic incident coming to light just a few hours ago. In fact, this tree, aged tree, having fallen on a school bus, and there are reports coming in that one child has lost their life and 10 others are seriously injured.
Well, that's right, Pia. In fact, unfortunate piece of news coming from Mumbai, from Chembur, where we're given to learn that one student has in fact lost his life, and 10 others are said to be injured, and they are currently being treated at Zen Hospital in Chembur. Now, what exactly transpired is a large tree, the branches had fallen on this particular bus, which is said to be from Tilak Nagar, from Universal School. And as per the BMC, it states that the incident was reported at 2:50 p.m. today, wherein the bus was carrying near about 13 school students, out of which one unfortunately has lost his life in this tragic incident that has happened in Chembur area, while other 10s are injured and they are getting treated at Zen Hospital. Having said that, we have also seen, Pia, in previous few days, because pre-monsoon, this is one of the major work that has been carried out by the civic body, by BMC, where they trim the trees which has larger branches, and to avoid such untoward incidents that could be endangering people's life. But here we see that out of 10 students, one student has lost his life, and others are getting in fact treated in Zen Hospital.
Absolutely. Stay on with us, Shweta. We're tracking some further updates as far as the treatment is concerned. We're learning that while one student has passed away and 10 are injured, they're now being treated at the Zen Hospital, out of which 4 are critically injured is what we have learned. Shweta, still with us on the broadcast. We were learning that out of these 13 odd students, one lost their life tragically, and the others who are undergoing treatment, there are a couple of them who are seriously injured, about 4.
Well, that's right, Pia. In fact, as per the information that we have sought from BMC authorities, it states that 13 students were there in total in the bus, out of which one has lost his life, and the 10 others were in fact injured. Out of these 10 students, those who are injured, 4 are said to be critically injured, and these school students are in fact getting their treatment at Zen Hospital, that is a nearby hospital in Chembur. But certainly tragic incident that has happened here in Chembur in Mumbai, where we are getting to know a large tree which we see that in the visuals also, that its entire branch had fallen onto the school bus, critically injuring 4 school students. One school student has lost its life, and the others we are given to learn that they are also getting treated in the hospital, that's in Zen Hospital.
All right, Shweta, stay on with us. We're tracking some updates as far as the rescue operation is concerned.